Residential pressure washing. If you are considering doing some residential pressure washing, but aren't sure whether it is worth the extra trouble, then you need to know about the positive aspects of residential pressure washing. Give your Long Island home a fresh finish with our professional house washing services. For a fraction of the cost of expensive repainting or remodeling, the pros at Pressure Wash Long Island will remove the salty, grimy, grungy buildup from your home's surface, revealing its natural beauty and shine. Revitalize your views and renew your perspective when you make window cleaning a part of your exterior cleaning regimen. Experience the difference that Pressure Wash Long Island can make for your home. Call us or visit our website and schedule your consultation today.